yeah, so to think about it, as I said, it's all about the coordinate system, actually, to be honest, if you are really into the geometry. So what it does is just declares two areas, right? So we have the resolution, how we're gonna decompose this area like that. And we also have the modular operation, as I said, yeah. And also we have ask some connectivity based on the distance, yeah. So it looks complicated, but nothing special. I mean, I already give you guys all the function and the mathematics and then some structure. So out of this, you guys can make like this kind of, you know, the geometry things for fun. Just also just think about what if we have a data, and then what if we have this kind of technology? What combination can be happen? You know, what's gonna be result? Why we need to rebuild in this kind of result? This is kind of questions really, you know, good. I mean, they're very interesting topics for your individual profession, like I mean, architecture designer or, you know, the geographical designer or landscape designers. There's a lot of tool and, you know, interesting rebuilding result. So this is nothing special. Just like think about like one of the example in the Grasshopper things. So we have a points, and then we have like some attractor. I'm using my mouse cursor as an attractor. Yeah. So, and we have the other attractor here. Oh, this is the same example, I guess. Yeah, this is a circle grid. Oh, they're same. Sorry. And this is circle grid. Yeah. So I use the wheel, mouse wheel, so we can maximize, minimize the strength. I can click it, maybe zoom in, zoom out. You can do this kind of operation using canvas. And we have a circle and line. So this is just, I have on my YouTube channel, sometimes I do just live code, just when I got bored, and then at the time I just create it. Whenever you click it, it creates a circle between the line. However, if you click it, they actually found the closest point, and then draw the circle, and then create the straight line between the circle. So, yeah, I mean, so all possibilities there. You can try, you can make some fun, nothing special. And then ball bounce here. So just think about it. We have just a trivial example for the creative coding or like visualization things. So we have like a circle, and then once circle reach the particular number, in this case width and height or top or bottom, and then we basically detour the vector, the velocity or direction, so that we can do this. So otherwise, we can also, you know, reuse other sort of data rather than the, you know, their own like velocity or speed or position. Yeah, we can simply like, yeah, replace data things. And then this is the line example. Yeah, we already saw it, right? And then the last one is this little, this is actually one of my research things in my company, but this is also starting from my personal, before joining the company. Anyhow, so to think about it, we have, yeah, we have this kind of data, right? But the data sometimes is like really hard to revealing things, so you need a lot of pre-processing. So I mean, this kind of the lens or filter things that give us like some color strengths as by representing the number of dots inside of each pixel or each blocks, right? So I think also we can customize this kind of tool, you know, using the Canvas API. Yes, these are demo, and there's also the TypeScript starter. If you click it, it drives you to my GitHub. I mean, there's a lot of nice and well-defined the TypeScript starter with the sort of Canvas things. So you can just search in the GitHub. There's a lot of examples, and then you can make some poke from this page, and then you can build your own application. This is also canvas starter. So it's nothing special. Just give us like a simple canvas, and then whenever you move your mouse, and then we can actually draw, because we append move mouse move event on the canvas. So just think about, we have data, and then whenever I move my mouse, we query the data and then give us some feedback. I mean, we can create this kind of pipeline on top of it anyhow. Yeah, so I think I'm done. Do you guys have any question? Hello? Are you okay? Any feedback, please? Oh, sorry, okay. Okay, ask on mute. Ask, ask on mute too. Yeah, so you guys can say something, please. I'm so lonely. Yeah, you know, I have several friends who learned the work in different workshop, you know, but they have like really nice picture of you guys and make some fun and communicating. But I know this is a little bit boring topic and a little bit exhausted for the designers, because all about like syntax and API, which I never experienced it. But you know, as time goes by, technology is getting evolved, and the young people, you know, try to compete with you guys. So we need to keep up with the technology and, you know, take advantage of this, you know, kind of things. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm gonna once I done the record and then I process it, I'm just literally just upload the YouTube without editing, because editing kill me. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much. And tomorrow we have a workshop about the creating our own custom geometry class, which is a little bit more in depth. It's going to be, I mean, yeah, but just bear with me. And then the video is there. So I just wanted to freeze the lecture series, so that once you get familiar with the Python and TypeScript in order, and then you can, you know, at the end of the day, you guys wanted to create your own sort of geometry and for the visualization or agent-based design system or parametric design system. So I think tomorrow we will learn how to create this class and for the architecture of the software things. So thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.